guys, it's Anna, bienvenido otra vez a mi canal. If you're new here, what's up? I'm filming this intro and outro the same day that I'm filming the intro and outro for a different video. So if I look the same, that's why. Because that's how we do things here, okay? When I forget to do it. This is gonna be another one of my beginner salad recipes. Like I mentioned in the other video too, I call really anytime I use iceberg lettuce like my beginner salad, just because I feel like iceberg lettuce is super easy to mix and match with like any ingredients. It has like no flavor basically, so I feel like that's really what most people gravitate towards when they want a salad, because you don't want to taste greens usually, except for me, I love spinach. But like if you're not so into the freshness taste of a salad, or if you're just starting to add more salads into your diet, or you're trying to get a little bit more healthy, but veggies are just hard to do, I call this my beginner salad for that reason, because it's just easy to mix and match with everything. Everyone likes an iceberg lettuce. It's easy. So this is gonna be another one of my super easy recipes for a beginner salad, okay? Not too many ingredients for this one either, because I know right now, I'm not really sure when this is gonna go up, but I know when I'm filming this, we are currently in quarantine. So it's a little bit harder to get some ingredients, but I feel like the fresh ingredients are a little bit easier to get your hands on, weirdly. But so again, this salad doesn't have too many ingredients. And again, I will say I'm not really a fan of salad dressing. So I usually use olive oil for salad dressing, but I'm also someone who likes the flavor of like all of the different veggies, ingredients that I put into my salads. So I kind of like to taste them anyways. So this salad I'm adding kind of like a special ingredient, and I say special because it's like kind of pricey. It is the sun-dried roasted tomatoes, sun-dried tomatoes that I love. I love the flavor of sun-dried tomatoes. They're just so good. So basically we're using the sun-dried tomatoes with the olive oil mixed in there as our salad dressing. So that's gonna be the main focus, the star of this salad. And then we're gonna add like super basic beginner ingredients in with it. Some cheese, egg, pepper flakes, all the goodness. So you can even add olives in there if you want to. I love olives, but I just really didn't want the olives to compete with the flavor of the roasted tomatoes, at least the day that I made that salad. Usually I would mix them together because I do really love the flavor of olives, black olives mixed with sun-dried tomatoes. I just think it's so good. But yeah, so let's get on into making this salad, putting it all together. And yes, I filmed this a different day because I forgot the intro and outro. So we're making another salad, simple salad. So obviously we're gonna need our bowl. We need the chicken. We're making a Caesar salad. Got some shredded chicken already cooked. Sun-dried tomatoes. I just put one egg. Cheese. I used 2 different cheeses. Parmesan cheese all wrapped up in this bag. Asiago in this bag. So I like to put a little bit of both. This nicely chopped onions. Then obviously you're gonna want your iceberg lettuce, your beginner style lettuce. You're also going to need a plate just so that you can warm up your chicken and cut up your meats and stuff. And then you're obviously gonna want a knife to cut everything else up. I'm gonna wash my hands first. Get down, Barbie. All right, so we're gonna start off, look at this girl. Get down, 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 down. So I'm gonna start with my chicken and my plate, and I'm actually, since this is cold but already shredded up, I'm gonna take just little pieces and just shred it even more, just with my hands. You can use a knife obviously too, but I want it to be already shredded up so that when I heat it up a little bit in the microwave, you don't really need to. My mom suggested doing it for flavor, I guess, to heat it up a little bit. Really, you don't need to break it up too small, but I like to eat my salads. Excuse me, get down, get down, get down, get down. I like to eat my salad with a spoon. Ew, I don't like that piece. Fatty. Ew. So I like really, really small, like bite-sized pieces. Everything that I put in my salad. Please, get down. Get down. No. Barbie, please go find something else to do. Look, here. Can't, man. Look, come here. There you go. So broke it up pretty small. As you guys know, I like to eat it with a spoon, so I want really bite-sized pieces. Now I'm gonna put this in the microwave for probably 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Excuse me. No. No, you need to get down. Get down. And then we're gonna bring this bowl. Please, Barbie, please get down. get down into pulling out the lettuce. And I'm gonna break my lettuce down the same way that we did in the other video. I like really, really small bite-sized pieces. It's gonna be the theme of my salad videos, is just breaking it down, because I like chopped salads. You can obviously use a knife, but I just feel like this is kind of faster. And I wash my hands anyway, so it's okay. And I'm the only one eating my salad. Barbie, why are you back? I just kind of do everything with my hands that I can first. So now I'm gonna grab my onion, and again, just kind of breaking this into little pieces. There's not too much in there. So now I'm gonna grab chicken pieces and kind of put this back. Got the chicken, I'm just gonna put in a bowl. So now I'm gonna peel egg. Got our egg peeled. So now I just like to cut it in half, and then like in little slices. So they're cut in half, and then little pieces. We're not done with the knife yet. We're gonna go in with some dried tomatoes. I'm just gonna use a spoon that I'm going to use to eat it with. And I'm gonna get a little bit of the olive oil that's down in here first. So just like a spoonful of the olive oil. Really show this without it spilling. I need this to scoop out. And I'm just gonna chop these up pretty small. You don't have to chop up your tomato, but I like to, just so that it goes a little bit further. You don't have to use as much tomato, but you get it a lot more throughout your salad if it's in little pieces like this, instead of just having like 6, because these tomatoes are kind of expensive, kind of pricey. So if you don't want to have to purchase them too often, but these are really what's gonna give us the flavor. You can use any salad dressing, but we're kind of gonna make our own flavor based around these tomatoes. So we want to get this throughout the salad as much as possible. So there's that, and then I'm just gonna shovel this. Now we're gonna add in the cheese. You're obviously gonna need a cheese grater. You could cut apart your cheese, but I like to use a cheese grater. It just makes it a little bit easier for me. So I'm gonna go with the Asiago first. Like I said before, I haven't really been feeling the Asiago lately, but I really need to use this up. Now with the Parmesan. Now, if you're not keto or you're vegan, you can skip the cheese. I think it just helps to add to the flavor too. All right, so now for the salad dressing, I'm only putting 2 ingredients in my salad dressing. So I'm just using, you guys know, the tried and trusty true, just olive oil. And I'm gonna be putting some pepper flakes. Like I said, we're using mainly the taste, the flavor of the tomatoes for this. Obviously you can add any salad dressing, but I like to keep this as healthy as possible, so that's why we're just using the olive oil as our salad dressing. Again, this is why I really love using a spoon for my salad, so that I can mix it around. And we're gonna move around all the ingredients. But there is everything mixed together. We did enough olive oil so that everything is nicely coated. It's not gonna be dry. right, so that is it for this other numero dos, kind of like a beginner, call it a beginner salad because it's using iceberg lettuce, not that many ingredients, like I said. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have like a specific kind of like salad that you call like a beginner salad or like a simple, quick, easy salad, not too many ingredients. Let me know your favorite salad to make down below, or if you try this out with all of these ingredients in it. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and you want to see some more of my recipes, my favorite recipes, especially now while we're all at home. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss any of my videos. You hit the bell notification if that does anything anymore. Not sure. And muchísimas gracias for watching este video. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.